Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 10. In this question, they are saying that if y is directly proportional to x square, the variable y is directly proportional to x square. So first we will convert the directly proportional into equality. So y will be equal to kx square, where k will be the constant. Whenever the two variables are directly proportional to each other, so the directly proportional can be converted into equality between the two variables by a constant, and here the constant is k. Means that whenever a variable is multiplied by a constant, then it will be equal to other variable if the two variables are directly proportional to each other. So y is equals to kx square. First we have to find the value of k. To find the value of k, the given information is that, and the difference in the values of y when x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 is 32. Means that they are saying that the difference in the value of y is 32 when x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3. Means that when x is equals to 1, there will be some value of y. When x is equals to 3, there will be some value of y. So in both values of y, when x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3, the difference in both the values of y is 32. So first we will find the value of y when x is equals to 1, then we will find the value of y when x is equals to 3, then we will take the difference of these values. So I am taking that when x is equals to 1, so y will be equal to y1, and when x is equals to 3, then at that time I am considering y is equals to y2. So y1 will be equal to k x square. X is 1, so 1 square, so y1 will be equal to k, and y2 will be equal to k x square, and x is 3, so 3 square, and 3 square is 9, so 9k. The difference in values of y means that y2 minus y1 will be equal to 32 according to the given information. The difference in values of y is 32. So y2 is equals to 9k, y1 is k is equals to 32. So it will be 8k will be equal to 32. So the value of k will be 4 8s are 32. So the value of k will be 4. So you can say that the equation will be y is equals to 4x square. So further they are saying that find the value of y when x is equals to minus 2. In this part we have to find the value of y when x is equals to minus 2. So to find the value of, we have to find the value of y. We have to find the value of y when x is equals to minus 2. So we have to find the value of y when x is equals to minus 2. So using the equation is y is equals to 4x square. So y is equals to 4 minus 2 square. So y is equals to 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So the value of y will be 16. So y is 16, y is equals to 16 when x is equals to minus 2. So this is a question number 10. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.